Hey everyone, so today I have another unopening video for you, and it's another anime merch haul, and I have lots of things. So I got these Polaroid Haikyuu cards. I got 6 of them. I thought they were super cool. There's 16 different kinds. And I got these 2 Spy Family acrylic stands. I also got these 2 Haikyuu acrylic cards. I believe they are just like clear cards. 2 little Jjk Mamemeto little plushes. We have this Jjk Chocorin box. Hopefully I got the whole set. I'm not sure. They said that if you buy 4 you get the whole set, but it's only if it's in stock. We have 1 little Toge figure. And then I have 5 little Haikyuu Tsums. And then it came with some extras. So we got some postcards. So we got Atsunomiya. We have Iwaizumi. We have, I believe his name is Bokuto and Akashi. And then we have a Yuji one from JJK. And I also got a couple of Spy Family bookmarks. So we have the whole family, Lloyd, Yor, and Anya, and then a Yor acrylic or a clear card. So I think we're gonna start with this JJK figure. So this is Toge. It should be Toge. And this is Toge's hairstyle during the Jjk Zero movie. And look at that. Oh, he looks so good, and his hair is super spiky, and the quality is pretty good. Okay, Toge is gonna be on my shelf. I basically have a little Toge shrine going on. So if we're gonna continue with the JJK, we might as well open these. So these are both little mama mates. So basically, it's a tiny blind bag version of this guy. So there are many characters to collect. The only ones I don't want would be Geto and Panda. So let's see who's gonna be Toge's little friend. We'll start with the first one. I see little feet. No. First one is Panda. Oh, I mean, it's okay because he's a second year, just like Toge, so that's fine. We'll have him right there. And then we'll open the second one. Please not Geto, please not Geto. We have Maki! Okay, this is fine. So look, we have the entire second year set. We have Toge with Maki and Panda. You know what? That's fine. I was kind of afraid when I saw this. I was like, oh, I hope it's not Geto, but this is fine. This is good. Shall we continue with our little JJK? So we have our Jjk Zero Chocorin box. I did open a couple of Chocorin figures before, and I really like the quality. And honestly, this movie was so good, I want to get the whole set. So hopefully I do. Okay, so here we have our 4 boxes. And I'm hoping for the full set. Okay, I'm just destroying the box. First one is Gojo. And we have our little Gojo sensei with his little white band. Next one. We have Geto. So Geto is Gojo's classmate / enemy. So here we have our little Geto. Even Geto looks pretty good though. He looks so much better without that scar. Rika! We have our little Rika right here in her school uniform. Yes! Okay. Here's little Yuta. Look how sad he is. Oh, he's so adorable. Okay, the 4 of them look so good together. They're all gonna go on the shelf. They're so cute. Next, we're gonna open the Spy Family acrylic stands. I got 2. Okay, I see some pink. Oh, it's just the stand part. Okay. We have Yoru. It's in that chibi form. It's kind of like the Chocorims. That's adorable. Now we just need Lloyd to finish it, but I would really like Anya as well. I believe you could only get, there's 2 Lloyds, 2 Anyas, and 2 yours. It'd be nice if I didn't get 2 yours, but... It's Anya! Okay. We have Sleeping Anya. So here are my 2 little acrylic stands. Look how cute they are. I love my Anya. Yours looks really good though. And maybe I should have got more than just 2. These are the clear cards. And it kind of had like famous pairs. So I'm really hoping for the Mia twins. And we have Kenma from Nekoma. Oh, I like how clear it is. Basically, it's a clear card, so you can kind of just put like a photo or a card behind it like that. And if I take it out of the plastic, it's like made out of plastic acrylic. It's a pretty hardy card, but and we have Akashi. Okay, we didn't complete a pair, but honestly the quality is pretty good. So if I cover my hand up, you can see that there's like the little cat right here and the little owl right here for their respective schools. I'm really excited about these. They're like little Polaroid cards. I believe it's just 1 per pack. And it only really had characters I liked. I don't think there was a single character I didn't like in it. Oh, it looks like an actual Polaroid. Okay. Are we ready? First one. Kuro! Nice. I actually have a Kuro Nendoroid right here. This is adorable. I love this. Let's just put Kuro right here with his Polaroid in the background. Okay, next one. So far, so good. We got a Mia twin! Now I need to bring my other Nendo. So this goes with my little Mia Nendo right here. Kunimi. Okay. Who? You know, I mean, I guess I had 2 favorites, so... Please have the other twin. I mean, I have so many other favorites, so just... Akashi! What is with today? I have... That is my second Akashi. Not to mention... Akashi. Lots of Akashis today. It's just an Akashi day. Okay, last one. There's so many ones I do like Daichi, there's Osamu, Tsukishima. Okay, let's hope for a good one. Kenma. I mean, Kenma goes with Kuro, so I am content. Look, they're like together. So here are the 6 I got. I have Kuro and Atsumu, which are 2 of my favorite characters. I have Kenma, Akashi, and Kunimi, which are like whatever, and this one Dugu. And finally, we have our Haikyuu Tsums, 2 Series 2, 1 Series 4, and 2 Series 5. So from Series 2, you can get characters from Alba Josai, and you can get characters from Karasuno and Date Tech. And the reason why I got 2 is because I really want Aone, who is like the main defense in Date Tech. I also really like Daichi as well, so, and Suga. But Daichi and Aone are the 2 main ones. Since not many people like Aone, I'm just really hoping for him. Okay, we have the orange-haired guy from Alba Josai. I mean, he's okay. He's not what I wanted, but that's why I got a second one. Come on, come on. Date Tech. Okay, we got Iwaizumi, which he's okay too. Not what I wanted. And in the box, I think that one's Iwaizumi. So this one is the other guy, which I vaguely remember, but I really don't. So I got one from Series 4, which you can get Karasuno. I'm just hoping for Tsukishima Cave from here. And then you can get a couple from Alba Josai and from Nekoma. Oikawa is good, and Kuro. What color? And we have Tsukishima Kei! Look how smug he is. Let's open him up. Oh, he looks so good and smug. He looks like a lumpy caterpillar. From Series 5, there's only 2 I really want. I'm sure you can probably tell. We're gonna skip this side. And I really want the twins. That's the only ones I really want for Inarizaki. Oh my god! We got a twin! We got Osamu! We have Osamu! What are the chances? Probably a 0 chance, but please, please, please. Let me complete the set. And we have Sakusa. Actually, I don't really mind him though, because he's kind of like... I think he's the anxious one, right? The really shy anxious one in the Olympic team? I don't mind him at all, but I need to find an Atsu for my Osamu. So this is everything that I got. The most exciting is probably the fact that I got the little mame-mates of the second years to complement my toge. My little Yuta figure right here, I'm super happy with. And literally these are just amazing. I don't know if there'll be a part 3 anytime soon, but anyways, thank you all for watching, and hopefully you watch out for the next few videos. Thank you.